Do you still remember the entrance to the school before? That childhood hotpot?
Yes, I remember.
I suddenly want to eat today.
Let's make something to eat later. Astride the horse and eat her soldiers.
Do you know what it means? Is it a true gentleman to watch chess without speaking? I want to eat tofu skin.
I want to eat meat.
You eat, Daddy?
Ha 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 ha. You two, come and help me skewer the food.
Everyone eats the skewers.
Let me tell you about Pumpkin. When I was young, Mangzi passed by the gate of the primary school. The boss who sells spicy hot pots scared to see him.
Why?
A bunch of cabbage for a dime.
He wants to be covered with a thick layer of chili powder.
You two have sex first.
I'm going to stir-fry the base ingredients. Is the fire burning?
Yes, it's burning.
Okay, hurry up and bring the casserole over here. Once it's simmered, it's ready to be boiled.